In this video, I will show you how you can do a first-time setup on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, first of all, just grab your Samsung phone and press and hold on the power button until the Samsung logo appears on the screen, just like that. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release the power button. And once your phone turns on, you will see the welcome screen. From here, just tap on the drop-down arrow and select your language from this list. After you select your language, tap on OK, then tap on Start. From here, just select Agree to All and tap on Agree. Now if you want to set up your Samsung phone using your old device, you can do it from here. Otherwise, you can select Setup manually. And from here, just connect your phone to your Wi-Fi network. Then tap on Connect. And after you connect your phone to your Wi-Fi network, then just wait for a few minutes. Now from here, if you want to copy your data from your old phone to your new phone, you can do it from here. Otherwise, you can select Don't Copy. From here, just tap on Skip. If you want to sign into your Gmail account, you can do it from here, or you can just skip this step. For example, I'll enter my email address. After you enter your Gmail address, then tap on Next. And in this section, just enter the password of your Gmail address. Then tap on Next, and by doing that, you will sign into your Gmail address. Tap on I agree. If you want to add a selfie for sign in, you can tap on Continue. Otherwise, you can select Not Now. Now from here, you can set a lock screen password for your phone. You have the option for Face Unlock, Fingerprint Lock, a PIN, a password, and a pattern. Or you can skip this step. Just tap on Skip Anyway to skip the step. And just tap on the arrow icon and select Accept. If you want to back up your data, just tap on Turn on Backup, but I'll select Do Not Backup. Now just tap on the arrow icon and tap on Next. Now if you want to enable Hey Google, just tap on Turn On, or you can just tap on No Thanks. Now on this screen, you can sign into your Samsung account. But if you do not have a Samsung account, or if you want to sign in later, just tap on Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account. Then you can select Setup Later in Settings. Tap on the arrow icon and tap on Skip. Now just tap on the arrow icon and select Agree. And from here, just select your display mode. You have the option for Light Mode and Dark Mode. I'll select Light Mode, then tap on Next. As you can see, it is saying that these apps will be updated when your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network. You can uncheck these options, or you can just select a few options which you want to update. I'll select all of them. Then tap on Next. And as you can see, we have successfully completed the setup process. Now just tap on Home to go to the home screen. And all these steps we have skipped earlier, you can do them later in the settings. For example, if I open the Settings app, for example, you can sign into your Samsung account from here. And you can also set a lock screen password, sign into your Gmail account, and all the other settings from here. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.